Another big story making news around the world tonight, the Supreme Court's decision to uphold the core of President Obama's health care law.
The ruling caused hospital stocks to rise sharply and some insurance companies fell.
Democrats fought for the individual insurance mandate, insisting it is not a tax.
But today the Supreme Court said it certainly is. And ABC's Karen Travers tells us that's what saved the plan.
It was a landmark decision. By a 5-4 vote, the Supreme Court upheld the individual mandate. That's the heart of President Obama's Affordable Care Act. But today at the White House, in the same room where he signed the legislation more than 2 years ago, the president skipped a victory lap.
Today's decision was a victory for people all over this country, whose lives will be more secure because of this law.
In a surprise to many court watchers, Chief Justice John Roberts sided with the liberal justices. The majority's decision said that Americans can't be forced to buy health insurance, but they can be penalized or taxed for choosing not to. Roberts wrote, "Because the Constitution permits such a tax, it is not our role to forbid it or to pass upon its wisdom or fairness." Republicans said the only way to get rid of the health care law now is to vote the president out of office. And Mitt Romney said nothing has changed.
Obamacare was bad law yesterday. It's bad law today.
With the court's decision, all of the provisions of the law remain intact. Americans under the age of 26 can remain on their parents' health care plan. Children with pre-existing conditions cannot be denied coverage, and there will be no limits on how much policies pay out. But Americans aren't sold on the law. A new ABC News Washington Post poll found that just 1/3 have a favorable opinion of it.
It should be pretty clear by now that I didn't do this because it was good politics. I did it because I believed it was good for the country.
In 2 weeks, House Republicans will hold a second vote to repeal the health care law. But since the Senate won't act and the president would veto it, it's a symbolic but meaningless vote. Karen Travers, ABC News at the Supreme Court.